From the future of ultra-luxury transportation to luxury aficionados and adventurers, greetings. Imagine a car that revolutionizes road travel, a masterpiece that blends the comforts of a mobile penthouse with legendary performance. That's the Aston Martin Motorhome for 2026. The Motorhome has an unrivaled sense of Aston Martin passion from the exterior. Even when still, the powerful Aston Martin front grille with vertical slats and the svelte matrix LED headlights radiate performance. Inspired by their Grand Tourer designs, the aerodynamic and flowing body lines are created from lightweight carbon fiber panels sprayed with a unique, glistening Q by Aston Martin sheen. Large forged wheels with an ingenious multi-spoke design that are encircled by brightly colored carbon ceramic brake calipers further enhance the appearance of sportiness and excellent performance. In addition to the side door's smooth integration into the body, which keeps the vehicle looking clean, there could be a secret hydraulic slide-out function that would increase the living area when parking. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's heart pulses with amazing vigor beneath its opulent appearance. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that powers Aston Martin sports vehicles is comparable to this one. To haul huge loads with ease, this RV's engine is connected with a state-of-the-art 48V mild hybrid system that generates a combined output of 600 to 700 horsepower and a ton of torque. A 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive (AWD) provide a comfortable but sturdy ride on a range of surfaces. Even on the toughest roads, exceptional comfort is guaranteed with an electrically controlled adjustable air suspension system. Inside the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome, you'll notice that the dashboard skillfully blends high-tech elegance with sophisticated ergonomics. The driver's environment is surrounded by luxurious, glossy carbon fiber accents and hand-selected bridge of Weir leather. A full-width digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel displays crucial vehicle information and sharp visuals for augmented reality navigation. In the center is a sizable, sophisticated, and responsive OLED touchscreen infotainment panel that complements the dashboard. A multi-zone climate control system, an excellent Bowers & Wilkins audio system, and a customizable head-up display are all controlled via an intuitive interface that replicates the cockpit atmosphere of a luxury Grand Tourer. You reach the roomy living area, a movable lounge intended for entertainment and leisure, after passing the cockpit. A beautifully decorated ceiling, Alcantara-coated wall panels, and polished hardwood flooring are examples of high-end characteristics. Custom-made couches and armchairs that are hand-stitched with premium leather provide unmatched comfort. Private solitude is provided by motorized coverings, and huge panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of the surroundings. Whether you want a calm, quiet setting or a brilliantly lighted space, an adjustable LED ambient lighting system offers the ideal atmosphere. The master bedroom is a peaceful place to be. The primary feature is a king-size bed with an excellent orthopedic mattress and sheets made of silk or Egyptian cotton. A peaceful haven is guaranteed with acoustically treated walls and ceilings. Cleverly concealed are built-in closets with several storage drawers and inside illumination. An immersive entertainment experience is produced by a personal sound system and a huge OLED TV screen built into the wall. You can use your finger to open or close the drapes, and you can change the temperature and lighting using a touch control panel beside the bed. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's bathroom is a luxurious haven. The area seems like a private spa thanks to the shiny chrome accents and Italian Carrara marble floors. A spacious walk-in shower featuring body and rain shower jets makes bathing rejuvenating. Luxurious features include an LED-lit mirror, twin marble sinks with designer taps, and a porcelain toilet with a concealed bidet. The air is kept clean by a modern ventilation system, and the space is kept neat with concealed storage. This RV's kitchen is a work of art in terms of appearance and usability. High-end built-in appliances from leading manufacturers include a full-size Sub-Zero freezer and refrigerator, a Gaggenau induction cooktop, a convection oven, and an integrated dishwasher. Plenty of storage is provided by specially constructed carbon fiber cabinets and natural stone worktops with a matching backsplash. For more adaptability, a movable kitchen island is included, and a bar area with an integrated wine cooler guarantees that you'll always be ready to toast when you arrive at your next location.